We're heading to a beach called Fort de Soto. If Kelly is wearing a skirt or a dress or bathing suit, she always forgets her phone.
Take two.
Alright, we just made it to the beach and it thunders.
Awesome.
Well, we got to the beach and we came back to the car to eat lunch because there was a lightning storm. So we're just waiting for the lightning to go away. The storm to pass.
Just go back there, Iris.
Now it's pouring outside. So we'll wait. So we came to this coffee shop and got ice cream and coffee.
Ghost freeze me. Scary. That would be fun. The ghosts that freeze.
Because it's raining over on the beach. Really?
They're staying there for
Okay, so all day. You wanna wave? Okay, so all day we just drove all day. St. Petersburg to the beach. The beach was a bust because
Beach and no workout.
it stormed the whole time. So then we decided to
The coop. The best place. I know them.
we decided to come to the coop for dinner, and because the food here is so delicious.
It's amazing.
We were saying goodbye to Mulan, Pappy, and Double A, and then just on like pecan. Pecan is bacon. Yum. Pecan.
So now we're just gonna go for a little walk around Winter Park.
Yes.
Walk our food off.
Jenna. Well, at least I have ice. Yeah, the coop's ice is really good. full of ice.
She likes to eat
ice.
You know, it's summertime when you hear the cicadas.
Dad, is it true that the boy cicadas?
We're just waiting for the train now. The Amtrak train.
I caught 3 snails. Here, can you hold the snails? Can you try to get in that tree? You don't allow them to take your shoes off, Morgan.
Yay! Yay!
Iris, turn around. Let me see you.